Hello, this is Mr. Doty, and today I wanted to show you guys a short way of fixing your center marks and center lines if for some reason you forgot to change the setting that I try to remind people to change. So when you go in to make center marks and center lines, there's a default setting. It's under Center EXE. You got to be on the right thing here. Hold on. Center EXE. Okay? And you'll notice that it's set to 0.12. Well, if you have an inch drawing, that works fine, right? But this isn't. This is a metric drawing, and it's also a quarter size that it is, because that's how we get it to fit on the paper. So this one should have been set to, instead of 3, I would set it to 6 because it's so small. And so what that means is if I go over here to the model space, so if I were to copy this over, now this has nothing to do, or you know what, here, let's just say this. If I were to delete these two out, okay? If I were to delete them out, and now that I've changed my Center EXE, right? So Center EXE, I have it set to 6, okay? And then if I click on Center Mark and I click on here, notice that it sticks out from the edge like it's supposed to, okay? Now, these guys should also be sticking out that far, but they're not. They're sticking out to 0.125. Alright, well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to undo because I want to show you how to fix the issue. There we go. One more. There you go. So how do you fix if you goofed up? Because most people just don't think, and they just throw them in there, and I've done it too, and go, oh shoot. So how do you fix it? Well, instead of erasing them and redoing them and going in and changing your Center EXE, which nobody remembers to do, you can just pick them, right? Now they're different than these guys, so don't pick any of these, just pick these guys. And then if you right click on it, you go to properties, and then your property box will pop up, and I don't know why it has that they're different, but anyway, it should be, in this case we'll just set them all to 6, and everything will be fine. And then you hover off of the properties and hit escape, and now they look better, right? Okay, well the same thing goes for these. You can, and now just hit escape to deselect them. Go over here, grab your center marks, go back to your properties. If it's still up, then you can just hover over it, and you're looking for start extension, end extension, and instead of it being 0.12, we're going to make it 6. Okay, and then we hit escape, and now it looks better. So then if I go back over here and I look at it, now they look more correct. Okay, now the only issue that you would have, which this didn't mess anything up, is I still wanted that little space there, so that's good. Yeah, so really that's it. And the other thing you want to remember is for most of your metric, you're going to use 3, okay, for Center EXE. Or if you change in the properties, like, let me go back and grab one. So in the properties, if you grab that and the start extension, end extension, you would set it to 3 most of the time. Now, like I said, it depends on the actual scale of the drawing, of the views. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out to you and give you a little tip on that. And I thought I'd already made a video on this, but apparently it's just in the lecture. So there you go. All right, so I can throw this wherever I need to in my classes, and we're good to go. And I guess we'll catch you later. Have fun.